Hey, the facecam is back. I'm usually more comfortable without the facecam, but you could switch things up sometimes. Is that the right phrase? Oh, I was, yeah, I was using it right. Anyway, you could switch things up a little bit. So now that the facecam is back, let's continue with this video's topic. So in the previous video, we implemented our starting pistol. Let me give a demonstration. We have a fire rate and everything. We can rotate. Pretty cool stuff. Now our bullets, right now our bullets can't I didn't add this. Where is this being used? I didn't add this. What the fuck? Do I have dementia? I didn't add this. What happens if I delete this? Nothing. Let me check. Whatever. So what was I saying? So in the previous video we implemented our starting pistol, and now we're gonna implement our two shotgun weapons here. We're gonna do our light machine guns and our rifles in the next video. Cause I have a feeling we're gonna use something new for our rifles and light machine guns. A new function that we haven't used before. So I'm excited about that. Anyway, we have our shotties here. Now to start working on this, we're gonna make this null. And we're gonna start with this one, because this one is called shotgun 1. And this one is called shotgun 2. There. I don't know if that looks nice or bad, but best not to play with it. So we got this guy, right? Now I don't know if this is gonna be me cooking, but or if I'm gonna mess things up, but I have something in mind and I'm not sure if that's the right thing. Let me experiment a little bit. So we got pistol fire rate here. We need to pistol and pistol. Oh jeez. Copy, paste. And in addition to that, we're gonna have by default shotty fire rate. Should these two have different fire rates? So this guy looks like this, and this one looks like this. Maybe this can have a longer fire rate but higher damage, and this one can be faster but lower damage. Let's go with that. So for that we need to write SHA-T1 fire rate, fire dot SHA-T2 fire rate. So to calculate, that would make SHA-T1 is this, the longer fire rate, so we're gonna set this to something like 1.5, and this one should be 0.7 maybe 1. Yeah, 1 can be nice. Then we can maybe make this 2. Right. So we're gonna make this SHA-T1 fire rate. Do the same with this guy. Cool. Now we're gonna first implement our SHA-T1 or shotgun 1. What? Right. If inputs get key down and pistol sparks folder get components sparks render null sparks null and other sparks folder get components sparks render name equals to shotgun 1. That's the right name, right? Shotgun 1, yeah. Then void no SHA-T1. That's a nice name. SHA-T1. So this is for the shotgun 1, and if you want to make, actually let's do that later. Let's first finish up with this one. Now since this is a shotgun, when we fire, I want our bullets to be spread out in a pattern similar to what we did in the previous project. But how should we do this? first we need a number of how many pellets. Was it pellets? Shots. Pellets are called shots. Alright. So first we need a number of float points. Actually, let's just call them pellets. Pellets count. So how many pellets do we want? 10, 20, 30? How many pellets are in a shotgun anyway? It's not 30, that's overkill. Let's go with 50. Fire. Next, since we have multiple pellets, we're gonna need a for statement. We need a for statement because with each frame, with each pellets, we want to decide a random angle so that we can create a spread. So one pellet is gonna go this way, another is gonna go this way. We're gonna assign random angles for each pellets. So for that, for int e0, yeah, then floats palette angle random range. So going from hold on, give me a second. Give me just a tiny second. Okay, awesome. That's a good revelation. So now that we got the angle, then game objects. We're gonna need a new. Should we add a new prefab? I don't know. We'll just test this, and then if it doesn't look nice, then we're gonna change it. We're gonna add a new prefab. But for now, let's just test this. So other how was this? Not new quaternion, quaternion error. So others muzzle transform rotation X. Maybe that can work. I tried doing some math, but I'm not sure if this can work. I hope it does. So, and then for rotation, we're gonna add palette rotation. Then we need to add the force. I'm gonna add the tagging later. I'm just gonna first I'm just gonna test if this works. Also, get components, rigid body. Let's see. So Shopify rates, and we need this to be null, and we need this to be this. So this needs to be null, and we need to assign this guy here. Now let's see. So did we save this? We did. What? I don't think I understand. So we have a problem with this line. And what else? So 72 and 35. What's in 35? Handle shooting. How about this? Pistols. Pistol sprite holder. Get component. Let's render. And how about this? Oh. Oh. Okay, we are firing, but wrong. That's so wrong. Now what went wrong? Yeah, I did the math wrong. I did say I didn't know if this is gonna work, but it didn't. I did the math wrong. I'm looking it up online right now. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Zero. What was it? Pellet range. Oh, not pellet range. Pellet angle. So 0. Is it this? How is this gonna work? No, that's not what we want. Fuck. What happens if we do this? What difference is it's gonna make? That's not right at all. Alright. We tried putting the pellet's angle in our x axis, that didn't work. We tried putting it in the y axis, it didn't work. What will happen if we put it in the z axis? Is it gonna work? Oh. Oh, nice. But I want to make the spread a little narrower. A little more narrow. Yeah, there we go. Let me let me see that again. Yeah, sure, that can work. I like that. Now that we got this logic out of the way, all we need to do is implement our shotgun's fire rate. So our shotgun fire rate is set to 2 units, 2 seconds. So with each shot, we're gonna set it back to that value. Shotgun fire rate 2. let's try. Maybe we can make the spread a little bit wider. Let's try 7. So we're gonna aim at the hallway right here. Yeah, that's better. Alright. Now we need to do the tagging. So we created the thing here. And here we're gonna SHA-T1 palette, game object tag, SHA-T1 palette. That's not very original, but that's okay. And now, if we put the key down and SHA-T2 fire rate, then the second one is the. We can actually just copy and paste this. We can actually copy and paste this, all of it. But instead of shotgun 1, we can make shotgun 2. That's the name, right? Shotgun 2, yeah. 27 minutes. Shot 2. Palette count 10. Let's make it 10. Should I just copy and paste all of this? Let's see. You can change the angles a little bit. Then we need to make this SHA-T2 palette. Now let's see if this can work. SHA-T2, here it is. That's good. Okay, I think that's it. Do we need to do anything else? So we can. Oh. Oh, it's about tag. I thought it was about this, the game object variable, but nah. It says right here tag. We need to create it. Alright. That's. Okay, then. Let's create it real quick. So we got SHA-T1 palette and we're gonna have SHA-T2 palette. I also need to add a lifespan to these guys, just like I did with pistol bullet instances. So we're gonna do that here. Destroy shot 1 bullet, 2. Then here. Awesome. That's it. That's all for today's video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video where we do where are they? There. In the next video, I'm gonna try making implementing all rifle and LMG sprites weapons. I may do LMGs in a different video though. But that's it.